But let's still make a few updates. All right, so first thing, we have worked on the account slash profile page, which is where Django redirects you to. But how about if you want to redirect to somewhere else other than what you have or what Django has given you? So if you log in, where do you want to redirect or direct yourself to? Stuff like that. Okay, so we could change all of this. So that's the custom redirect where we are at the moment. So when we go to our settings is inside of students, and go to the bottom of the page, we could decide where we want our login or logout to go. So I'll just do that of the logout, sorry, logout redirect URL. I want it to just go home like that, and then let's save it. Then let's go back here, do a refresh, and hit logout. Now notice that when we log out, it no longer takes us to the page that we used to go to. What it does is it takes us back to the home page, which is what we specified here. So if you want to do your custom redirect, instead of moving or going to the account slash profile page, you can also choose a different path. So if I want to do that for login here, I'll just do log in redirects. And so for now, it's redirecting us to the account slash profile page, but I want to change all of that back to maybe the home page, something like that. So save that and then come back here, try to log in. You know, I can just add that login link at this top too. Where's our base.html? Okay, so I'll just repeat the same thing I did here, login or logout. So this would be login, and this would be login, like that. So save that so that we can easily navigate. Okay, so this is login, so hit login, so I will come back to this page and try to log in again. So when we try to log in again, notice that it takes us to the home page and not the account slash profile page. All right, but once it's we prefer the account.profile page. So let's just go back, go to settings, and get rid of this last one. So just the last one, save it back, and then let's log out and try to log in again. So let's do that, and it takes us to the account slash profile page, and this is awesome.